Kelly from the County Brant Public Library again with another art project to go. Today we're working on a paper lantern or a paper bowl, whatever you want to use it as. I've got a couple done here. Oh, it doesn't show very well. There's little leaves inside, or pressed flowers is a good idea. I don't know if that one will show better or not. That one's got maple leaves in it. This was my first one I finished. It's more of a bowl size than a lantern size. It's okay. It wasn't really my favorite. I like the smaller ones better. So the next one I did was this one, and I haven't put any string or anything on it yet. It told me to do holes in the side, but I think what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to add string and do another layer of paper mache with this string inside the layer of paper mache. I think that was your best option, but you can do what you want. Either that, just even a hole punch and put the string on it that way. They're great little lanterns for outside in your garden. They just kind of add an extra little elegance to your garden. Simple project to work on, and you can use any type of tissue paper. The first couple that I've done have like little sparkles in them, kind of cute. But the one I'm working on here is pink, so you can do it for whatever color you have for your decor. Great item for outdoor weddings, outdoor parties, and then you can do like a colored theme. So I've just cut my little strips of tissue paper up in like 2-inch squares. The first one I did, I tried to rip it as I was going. That didn't go so very well. So this is a much better option. It's a little easier, a little less frustrating. So I would do, I'm doing all one color, but you can change up the colors. You can do multicolors. You're simply working on a balloon. I like the small ones, as I said before. And I found these lovely little makeup sponges work wonderful for this because they're soft and they work great. So when you're doing it, you're just using, I've got just clear glue that I bought at the dollar store, or you can just use white glue. I think you'll probably get white glue in your kit, and it works just fine because it dries clear as well. So what I've done, and what I'm gonna do is put the squares on. Always try to overlap at least a little bit on each square. So I'm going to do a full layer down to however big you want it. I wouldn't go all the way to the bottom, that's for sure. But one thing nice about this is when it's done and it's all dried, if you don't like the size of it, you can cut it. You can't make it, well, you can make it bigger too if you want, as long as your balloon's not popped, so you can make it bigger. So as you can see, I'm being fairly gentle with it. Because the tissue paper is kind of a delicate thing. So I'm going to do a full layer. You can let it dry between layers, or if you are gentle, you can actually just keep going. It works better if you let it dry a little bit. It doesn't quite, it just looks nicer. So I'll do a full layer. And then the next round, I'm going to put, and you'll get these in your kit, some leaves. So then I would just glue them in, do another layer over top. I think I would do probably about 4 layers of tissue paper. And on the last layer, I would add my string. They make a lovely little lantern, as I said. Another option for you is to add texture instead of the leaves or the flowers, or whatever you're gonna put in it. Or if you have your own dried flowers, use them too. It's great because it will contain your flowers for years. Another option is to actually add string underneath, so it will give it a little bit of a texture. So have fun. You'll get a balloon and some tissue paper in your kit and some leaves, and just enjoy the process. This is a very simple process, but it makes a lovely little project. So we'll see you soon. Bye. Good morning. It's Kelly from the County Brant Public Library again. I just wanted to show you what happened with my balloon from the last time. I was showing you the leaf bowls that we're going to make with a nice white speckled ones, and then I started this pink one. So I let this set for a couple days. I actually added string before I let it set, but you can see it went all wrinkly. But what had happened is my balloon had broke. So I was lucky enough that I actually could put a balloon in there and blow it up again. So don't freak out if that happens to you. So just work with it. This one I think I'm gonna like it because I actually like the texture. So I've added actually string on there, and this is only one layer. So it's a little different look than your leaf, but it's something that maybe you could experiment with. And I kind of like the color of the pink. So again, a simple project. You can change it up for your decor. Just have fun. Again, as I always say, have fun with the process. We'll see you soon.